Good morning, guys. I've got a lot of questions on how tall my sunflower Bella is, and so we're going to measure her. I am on a ladder because I'm definitely not tall enough. So I'll get out my trusty measuring tape and we'll take a measurement. All right, you guys, I'm on a ladder. I don't know if you can see the measuring tape all the way down to the bottom and then up to Bella. She is gorgeous and she's filling out nicely. And I don't know if you guys can see that, but Bella's like 8 feet tall. She's definitely the biggest sunflower I've grown. So I'm going to measure her head now to give you guys an idea of how wide she is. All right, you guys, I'm a little precarious at the moment, but I don't know if you can see that. Bella's almost a foot across, so I can't wait to get some sunflowers.